How to remove CapCut Template Watermark. First and foremost, you have to launch the CapCut and make the template ready to export. Now, once you have edited all your template and now if you like to export it without watermark, tap on the export button from the top right corner. After that, you will have this menu box pop up in your interface with multiple options. First one, save in share to TikTok. Second one, to export. And the third one, there you have an option to remove watermark. Make sure you have checked that tick mark. If not, simply tap on it. Now once it is turned into blue, now you can export this template without watermark, which is available free. If you like to save and share to TikTok, tap on the first option or simply tap on the export button. And with that, this video is now exported without watermark and you can share it to different social media platform. So that's the way to remove CapCut template watermark on CapCut. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.